a group of retired aerospace engineers from Vandenberg Air Force Base, and we wanted to bring in the space theme. Apogee is the peak of an orbit. We consider our brewing the peak of beer brewing. 3 bronze medals and 1 gold medal at the Great American Brew Festival this year in Denver, Colorado. And along with that came Brewery of the Year and Brewer of the Year for the 0 to 250 barrel size brewery, which is what we are. Brewing is a lot of science, but it's also a lot of art, because there are flavors and textures that you want to bring in that people like. And so you're constantly balancing between the science and the art to get the best blend of beer that is enjoyable